fast as I can. I used to go jogging, pero dahil may edad na ako, masama na sa akin ang palaging nagpapaaraw, lilitaw ang mga liver spot. Ang enjoy talaga ako ay kung pakawalan mo ako sa bookstore. I'd like to be a person of love. I don't want forever to be a professional. I'd like to be a homemaker. My message to all women everywhere is this. We think that because of the machinations of our present culture, that success is the sine qua non or the absolute necessity of human life. Hindi mahalaga ang kayamanan o ang celebrity status na ang pangalan mo ay bukang bibig ng lahat ng mga mamamayan. Mawawala lahat yan. Kung maganda ka, 40 ka pa lang, lilitaw na ang mga wrinkles mo. I very humbly submit that the most important thing in the life of an individual, male or female, is the capacity to love other people.